We are Young the Giant. Good evening. We would like to thank our good friends, the Lumineers, for having us tonight. And my birthday was yesterday. And this is a pretty great birthday present, I'm telling you. It's my first stadium I've ever performed, all of us. So, with that in mind, that last song's our first hit that we had many years ago. And so much of our adult life has been spent on stage. And it's kind of separate than who I am in real life. And I feel more comfortable up here sometimes than I do in real life in a party of 20 people with tens of thousands of you here. So thank you very much for being here. We're going to honor that and just have some fun. We're going to play some songs that we've never played before. This is a brand new song. It's called Bitter Fruit. Maybe I'm bored again. Maybe I'm faithless. Does anyone feel a thing? Is everyone anxious? Maybe I hit the wall. Maybe I'm shattered. Does anyone care at all? Does anyone